Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at how Project Foundry works. And Project Foundry is the standards grading system that we use in order to be able to assess the students properly. What we have here is the main screen that students see when they log in, and you as parents will have to log in as your student. Their login information is their first part of their email address, so their graduation year, last name, and first two letters of their first name, and their password is Project I in lowercase. When you come in, you'll see the personal learning plan, and it will show the percent of standards complete that they have. It will show any in-progress credits and experiences, and we're currently working on having our students set up their personal statements and goals for you. When you're on here, you are going to want to click on Performance. Then from Performance, you want to make sure you're on Content Targets. And Content Targets is really going to show you the breakdown of your students' learning. So if you look down here, you can pick their learning plan. So if you have a 7th grader, you'll want to pick 7th grade learning plan, and if you're an 8th grader, you're going to want to pick 8th grade learning plan. This student, our sample student, has 46 standards remaining for the year, currently has 4 in progress, and has completed 35 so far this year. In all of their subjects, this shows a breakdown of how many standards they've met. So they've had 1 beginning score, 15 developing scores, 18 meeting scores, and 4 exceeding scores overall. But we can get even more information by breaking down into Literacy 7, and showing that they have 4 developing scores, meeting, and 1 exceeding. The mode for this student would be developing. This is showcasing for the entire year, not during the quarter. If you look down, if you click Literacy 7, you can break it down by the different content areas within the domains that we cover to see the scores that they've received and the experience that they had it. So this one was a hero character sketch. They received a developing. This one was a sample grading video, a sample graded assignment, so we kind of had it on a bunch of them for you. But if you want to look for a specific project, you need to go to Experiences. In Experiences, you're going to click on Recently Completed. It needs to be completed because this means that an advisor has given feedback and scored the project. So we're going to take a look at the sample project for scoring. When you click on it, you'll see Assess. You'll see by content area, by domain within the content area, and the standard. And then at the end here, you'll see the score. So this student received a meeting, a developing, a meeting, and a developing. Okay, so once you've taken a look at the scores, each advisor will usually give more evaluation comments. So in order to find those, you just click on Performance, and you go to Evaluation Comments up here at the top, and then you're going to find the project that it was. So we were on Sample Graded Project for Scoring, and then the feedback would be here. So you can see all of the feedback that has kind of been given throughout the year, so you can see if there's any trends or anything that are happening. So once again, that was from Experiences, and we were on the sample project for scoring, just 2 performances on evaluation comments. If that's kind of the breakdown of how you see everything, but we wanted to get this out as grades are coming out for you and for you to be able to see since many projects have been graded. Thanks.